CHIMP memory. Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on the channel. Today we will talk about our close ancestors, robots. Wait a minute, not robots, chimps. Let's do it. And well, when you think about how similar humans are to one species, you might think robots, since you're probably 9-year-old or 5-year-old. But however, I'm talking about chimps. Chimps are the most intelligent primitive animals next to us. There was a study in Japan where there were these scientists who tested chimps on memorizing letters and numbers. First, they were told how to count from 1 to 9. Then they were just looked at a glance of 1 to 9 numbers, and they had to put them all in. Yet they had to touch the numbers all in order. But they only had time to look at it at a glance before they all changed into white screens. So that was really unpleasant. This is how I would actually like to say about all this. But however, as we find out more all around the globe about chimp memories and how there might be superior species to us, we might learn more and find out about, let's say, everything on this planet. Because there's still a lot that we can find out about chimps and other animals. As chimps are one of our closest relatives, and we share about 90% of our DNA with chimps, there is still a lot we can find out about chimps. A lot. Chimps happen a lot. Chimps are recognized a lot nowadays, and we used to say that chimps are really stupid and that they're nothing compared to humans. But now when chimps were discovered that they actually make tools, and one of their young chimps are better memories than older adults of humans, there's probably a lot that happens here. But the chimps might have got an advantage that the chimps were young while the human tests were adults. And there's one fact though, that as you grow older, the worse your memory. That is true for a lot of species, by the way. Everything we can find out about most species, they all have one common thing. Their memory weakens as how their strength weakens as they grow older. That's one common thing that every chimp, every animal probably has, unless they're really small brains and they're actually born like that. So, I guess this is where I should end this episode. If you learned something new about chimps today, I'd highly say that you should say what you learned about chimps. And here are some pictures of the video tests with chimps. The chimps were able to do almost most of them into correct orders, while the humans got most of them incorrect. That is the surprising feat of humankind itself. Humans and animals might surprise each other. But however, as we go into the digital age, and as we take more digital tests with digital stuff, digital results, we will find out more about animals' memories and how they work. So this is where I'll end this episode. If you like this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next episode. Shinhan out. Peace.